Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, showing you our 88 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Horn works, blinker works. Gauges are a little funky. The speedometer bounces and we're not going 30 miles an hour. Right? Once you get going, it bounces kind of up to 40 back and forth, and it's pretty good around 60. Fuel gauge, 3/4 tank. Temp gauge does work. It's just cold right now. There's your wipers. You hear your radio and your fans working. The high might not work. Power locks works. I've got that actuator over there. Windows all work. This one right here. Power seat. I'm going forward and backwards. That works. 4-wheel drive, of course. 360 automatic. Like I said, the previous owner did some work. We did some brake work. 360 automatic air R134 converted. Check that new carburetor. Runs good. There's your lights. Your tail lights are hard to see, but they are working. So, nice old Grand Wagoneer. 605-695-7391.